Good morning, everyone. Welcome to RadioSilentPlay.com. I am your moderator for today on Wednesday, May 27th, 2015. Let me start off by saying I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before trading any stock or options. Trading stocks and options require lots of risk. So we're going to go over the OTC first. First off, let me start off by saying it is a slower market, but at the same time, there is opportunity with some of the stocks that we have sent out in the past. We want to make sure that we pay close attention to our stops, especially now during this time. As you see lighter volume, as you see slower volume, as you see a lot of traders selling into bids and companies selling, you want to make sure that you kind of manage your risk. And it is important to follow that 2 consecutive day close below your stop. So just remember, keep your emotions out, keep your stops in. All right. So with that said, I'm going to go over ticker symbol VGTL. This is a stock that we've been holding and accumulating at this range. Never really closed below 16. You had a good buy zone in this range. You had a good consolidation. Now, if you see here, the Bollinger Bands are getting in between the Kellner channels. Now it has broken that downward trend, and it started trading a little bit of sideways, and we closed at 28.0028 near the high of the day. You saw a low of 22. Now you're trading above that 21 and the 8-day moving average at 23. So that 0.002 is now acting support. Okay, so just a beautiful trade here. What we're looking here is this pivot break of that 0.0036 level. If you close above 0.0036 level, I do think that we're going to test this 0.005 and trade higher. You see the indicators right now. All indicators are showing a good sign of reversal here. So you had considerable volume yesterday, over 13 million trades in volume. So what we're seeing is a nice move off these moving averages. So we're going to keep VGTL on watch for next move higher. Okay, moving to the next stock. FORC actually triggered yesterday. This was a stock that triggered at a low of 12 to 15 buy zones. Okay, yesterday it actually saw a low of 12 again for a re-entry. Okay, and then the stock hit a high of this level here at 0.0022. So now what we're seeing is the stock looking for a reversal here. Okay, could test this 0.0036 level again. So watch that FORC for a next continued move. Okay, this box pattern, it looks like it may break today. Okay, if it closes above this level here around 0.002 range, okay, you will have a second day confirmation above that level. Okay, the next stock is SAMP. Okay, this was a stock that was sent out 0005 to 7 back in March and April. Okay, gave an opportunity to add as low as this 0004 level. Not many shares went through, but regardless, gave an opportunity from that 0005 to 7 level. And if you notice here, we're testing this 0.0012 level. Yesterday it hit a high of 10. Okay, you're seeing a nice little channel here. Okay, a nice little channel here. So, and that's holding. So what you want to see is this stock kind of break above this 0.0012 level. If it does, then you could test this level here, these levels here at 28.6 to 28. So just keep an eye on that SAMP. If it does pull back to this 0006, you can have or enter at 0006 through 9 with a stop close below 6. Remember, when you're trading triple zeros, the lower you get, okay, the more risk involved, okay, because if this stock breaks that 0006 level, you will be susceptible for bigger loss. Okay, Mcgi, this was a stock that was sent out in the bottom entry, the buy zones. Okay, this actually triggered yesterday, gave a little bit of a scare here, testing that 0009 level. Okay, did hit a high of 12 after that, so I think that that 0009 is a good support range. If you want to look to add 9 through 11 with a stop close below 9 2 times, that is a probability trade. So I want traders to keep an eye on the Mcgi. Okay, moving on. Want to make sure that you have a good support at 0009. Again, these the markets seem beaten down during the summer, but at the same time, it gives opportunity for traders to buy the blood. Okay, next we're going to go over some small caps. Okay, this is ticker symbol EOX. Okay, this stock I gave on the weekly watch list on the small cap watch list at $6. But now I'm noticing a gap here at this low of $4.95. So you may have two consecutive reading closes above this $5 range. So I have upgraded this trade. So watch this $5 to $5.50 range now, with a stop close below 5 on two consecutive closes. Okay, so I readjusted these trades. Okay, yesterday I said $6 to $6.50, but it was beaten down. Now what I'm seeing pre-market, the stock is trading at $5.52 from a low here of $4.95. So you may get that bottom now. Okay, so you may have an opportunity to trade this higher, and if this does trade higher, this could go 100%. Okay, so this is EOX Emerald Oil. Okay, so this stock is on major watch today. Another stock, let me set this up, is CDTI. Okay, CDTI, just set this up. CDTI actually triggered yesterday. You got a little bit of a topping tail here, but we're heading into major support levels here. Okay, if this stock closes below 180 on two consecutive closes, we simply get out. Okay, but what I'm looking at here is that $1.90. Okay, that $1.90 triggered on May 26th. Okay, now what we're seeing is, okay, a potential hold of this level and a bounce. Right now, pre-market, this stock is trading at $1.97. Okay, so you have upside here to $2 to about $2.20, $2.30. You get a push move higher in oil. Okay, you may see a bounce in these small caps. These this is clean diesel technology. So just keep an eye on the CDTI. Moving on, remember, keep your stops tight. Okay, moving on to the options. Okay, we took a position here on lumber liquidators. We said when it was around this range at 23 range, we were going to scalp those puts down to that 1920 level. It actually tested. It hit a low of $20.55. It did hold, and then we went calls. Okay, so with that said, yesterday we hit a high of 22.30, and we closed at 22.04. So that bottom is settling in right now. Okay, this is oversold. I know a member had mentioned that, Kramer had mentioned that this is may be insignificant and this company may go bankrupt. I don't, you know, anything that man says, I pretty much do the contrarian move. So I think that we may test this 25 level, okay, soon here on the lumber liquidator. So traders were recommended or mentioned that we were going long on the lumber liquidators. Just an easy trade here on the JP Morgan trade. We took setup here. We talked about a potential top here at 66 to 67.50. We actually traded here at $67. Okay, back in on May 19th, we hit a high of 67.19. We took that short position, and yesterday we had a beautiful move downward. We tested that low of 65.31. It tested at 65 level. Okay, that 21-day moving average is at 65, so it did bounce off that level. Okay, just a beautiful move here on the short on the JP Morgan. Okay, the SPY, same move. We talked about this top here. Okay, we talked about a cluster 212.88 to 213.83. Okay, that was our move. We grabbed puts, and then we saw a nice move down to our target, which we said was 211.80 to 210.90, and we closed at 210.70. Okay, if you want to know where we're going long, just join radiosilentplay.com. Okay, don't fall in love with the downside. Okay, yesterday we mentioned over the weekend, we talked about that 59.50 level here on support on the Lululemon Athletica. Okay, this actually tested at 59.80 level and then bounced. So what we're seeing is higher lows. Watch that second consecutive day close above that level. If it does, we're going to go long. All right, some traders had it at 59.50. I just wanted to see that confirmation because you had a little bit of space here to add at 58 and 56, but it did hold. So that Lululemon looks like a bounce is near. Okay, and that's pretty much it. If you want to know the setups, just join radiosilentplay.com. You want to know anything or ask questions, just comment down below. We are coming out with the Pro Elite Trader soon. Mobile app, iOS for Apple is coming out soon, so we're looking forward to that. Okay, so we will answer anybody's questions. If you want, just email us or send us a message via social media, and we'll get ahead and keep you up to date. All right, good luck, everyone.